Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable keyboard sounds on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and scroll down until you see Sounds and Vibration. Then go to System Sound, and here you can disable Samsung keyboard by tapping on the toggle. This will disable the sounds of the keyboard. And also you can enable the vibration of the keyboard. Just go into System Vibration and tap on the Samsung keyboard toggle. And now your keyboard will vibrate while you tap some messages. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips.